Welcome back to 10 Slide Info's Defense Update series. In today's video, we'll be seeing 3 updates from the defense side. First one is regarding the third batch of Rafale fighters arriving in India. The second update is regarding the gas turbine offer from Rolls-Royce. The third update is regarding the offer from Boeing for the India's fighter procurement plan. So let's begin with each update one by one. The first update, which is regarding the third batch of Rafale fighters. As we all know that India is awaiting to receive the entire lot of Rafale fighters from France. Yesterday, which was January 27, 2021, the third batch of 3 Rafale fighters landed in India after flying non-stop from France. These Rafales were provided mid-air refueling by UAE Air Force tanker aircrafts. The first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets arrived in India on 29 July 2020 and the second batch of 3 Rafale fighter jets arrived in India on November 3. With this addition, now Indian Air Force has a total of 11 Rafale fighters in its fleet. Coming to the second update, looks like Rolls-Royce is interested to offer their MT-30 marine gas turbine engines for India's future warships. Rolls-Royce is all set to exhibit its technology prowess and steadfast commitment at the Aerospace and Defense Exhibition, which is Aero India 2021. Rolls-Royce MT-30, which is the world's most power-dense marine gas turbine, will give India more power in less machinery space than alternative engine types. Rolls-Royce seems to be more interested to explore the various opportunities to further collaborate, co-create and co-manufacture these engines in India. These Rolls-Royce MT-30 are proven engines which can deliver its full power of up to 40 megawatts in ambient temperatures up to 38 degrees Celsius. These engines can function without any power degradation, allowing the ship to operate anywhere in the world without loss of performance and power. We need to see if Indian Navy shows interest in these engines to get the benefit. Now coming to the third update, if Indian Air Force resumes the hunt of 114 fighter planes, it looks like Boeing will be offering their F-15EX fighters to compete with other contenders. The other contenders are Saab's Gripen, Dassault Rafale, Boeing's Super Hornet, Lockheed Martin F-21, and Russia's Mikoyan MiG-35 and Sukhoi 35. As per the latest update, Boeing has received required approval from the United States government to offer this fighter to India. I have already uploaded a video on the 114 medium multi-role combat aircrafts deal and also a detailed video in which I have explained the features and power of Boeing F-15EX. I have provided the video links in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. So that was a quick update on the 3 recent things which are happening in the defense side. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.